morning, ma'am?
It's an examination, and even though it's the second, you know, it's basically the same, although some
Why
of
did she
the
ask you to be here?
incisions will have been made, of course, but other than that, otherwise examination of the organs and the tissues and the body as a whole, just as you would do if it were the first autopsy. Well, I'm looking for everything. You know, I think it's been unfortunate, perhaps, I think, for some of these things to have been conjectured upon.
Issues he might have had?
I think certainly that's one of the things that is being contemplated.
And why did she order it, doctor?
How long do you expect the work to take, doctor?
How long do you expect to be here, sir?
Just this afternoon here, not until the...
Will you release the results of the second autopsy?
I can't answer that question right now.